So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to scan QR code in your Android smartphone. So before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So in your Android smartphone, you can scan QR code in many different ways. Let me show you all the ways one by one. First of all, go to the Google Lens and you can scan QR code by using Google Lens. You can also go to the Chrome browser and search for QR code scanner. And you can go in this site and you can scan your QR code. You can also go to the Play Store and download an app for QR code scanner and scan QR code from that app. I will recommend you Google Lens to scan QR code because it is the safest option. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.